how to turn off page post shares notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off page post shares notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then scroll down until you find pages, and then click here, select your page and click this settings icon in the top corner and click settings, and now click here, and then all you need to do is just you will find this one here. All you need to do, click on it, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.